The following contest will be contested under Iron Man rules with a 30-minute time limit. Introducing first, OXCW! CJ Clique. Destruction is what you're gonna get. And his opponent. He is the #1 contender for the XCW Championship, Switchblade. People's champion.
Alright, you ready?
Now here's an interesting test for these two gentlemen.
Are you ready? Yeah. Alright, let's get it on.
Former #1 contender, current #1 contender, in an Iron Man match. Sorry, bastards. And the ref is playing crippled. Go back to Centrelink. Or fucking report. Anyway. Switch getting a bit of the Colorado back.
There's an element of mentor versus student here with this one.
Switchblade, still, I would say, a rookie, but he's certainly made some waves. Beaten Nightmare earlier on the afternoon. Getting himself a title opportunity.
And we know with his career direction that he's idolised CJ for
big
many
DDT.
years.
Too right. Certainly testing himself out against a veteran the caliber of CJ Clique. A big DDT of his own. Where's the ref?
1, 2, 2.
"30-minute Iron Man rules. Test of endurance.
He's loading up for that punch. No.
Clique rolling out of the way. Oh, the big calf kick. Oh, trademark CJ Clique. What brought him to the dance in the first place. Watch out. Suplex.
There's a ton riding on this for CJ. Thinks management's out to get him.
2, 2.
Well, I don't disagree with him. He's had opportunities taken off him for no real reason.
Could almost say that Switch has had a silver spoon in his mouth for his whole career here. Just opportunity after opportunity after opportunity, whereas CJ's had to kind of work for his.
That's part of CJ Clique's character, though. Wanting to actually prove to people he's worth something.
He's got that real.
And here we go. A modified STF.
No. He doesn't tap.
Now with XCW, there's no rope, there's no brakes.
Now we've got a pin 1.
2. It's 2.
Clever way to get out of it.
Very quick thinking by Switch.
Switchy. Somebody gotta call them.
Wait a second. Oh, can he get DQ'd for that? Is he going to get DQ'd for that? I don't think he is.
Pretty sure the only
Despite
rule
the
is
fact
there
that
is
it's
no
Iron Man rules. Or is it no DQ Iron Man rules?
Night.
Oh, face first into the sign. I was going to say soft edge sign. Not too sure what
1,
that is.
2. Kick out.
Yeah, the only thing that concerns me with these two is they fire strong out of the gate. Is all their energy going to be used in the first 10 minutes, or are they going to be able to endure the length of an Ironman match?
Especially with Switchblade's title match later in the afternoon. Is he going to be 100%? Guaranteed no. Wait a second. Wait a second. And a DDT onto the chair. You'll break a man's neck doing that.
1, 2, kick out.
A nonchalant pin there by Switchblade. Probably should have.
They don't want
Hook
to be
the leg.
working on reserves later.
He's not going to try and DDT him again. And he does. No! He did. I thought Clique countered it. Now we can go for a pin.
1, 2, kick out.
This has to be the strongest showing I've ever seen Switchblade have. Very focused, very determined.
Very intentional with the slow pace.
No sign of injury at all. You'd think that'd be a target for CJ.
What's he setting up for? What's he setting up for? Oh, the curb stomp onto the chair. Well, I take it the first fall is going to Switchblade.
2, 3.
And I was right. The all-important first fall of Switchblade.
What's he looking for? What's he want?
Not
What's he doing?
entirely sure what he's looking for. Oh, look at that.
Um,
Look at that. Oh, right on the shoulder blade. That's going to leave a mark. What's he doing? Gonna try and choke him out with a kendo stick.
D-tap. No! He doesn't.
Clique's face is changing colour. Wait a second, he's going for a pin.
2.
Man, that kendo shot.
I kind of feel like CJ might have gone into this with low expectations of Switchblade. Blowing everything out of the water.
The Switchblade's right in the hamstring. Gets one back. In the shin. In the leg. Oh, he gets him with a cutter.
1, 2, 3.
And Clique gets a pin back.
1-1 here now. Back to an even playing field. But I feel like the damage is already done.
You know, Clique has got a history of back issues. That kendo shot certainly won't help proceedings.
As we
Oh,
know
look
from the event,
Look out.
CJ's... He was going to have a nap.
Oh. Going up top of the ladder. This is what he's known for. High risk, high reward. Fuck you. Yeah. Oh, there's no one home. Nobody home. Switchblade was out. Get out of the way at the last second. Can he capitalise? And get a fall back? And now he's going for the calf killer.
What do you say, CJ?
He's got it in.
Come, mate.
Another double arm DDT.
1, 2, 2.
Frustration setting in with Switchblade. The all-important second fall.
There's a T intersection coming your way. Oh!
Just rolls right in the back again. And again. Switchblade targeting
Sorry, man.
the
Gotta
back.
do what I gotta do.
Or CJ Clique. No.
Do
No.
what I gotta do.
Don't kill him! Oh my god. Oh my god, no. You're gonna might have to stop this match. Kill somebody.
1, 2,
Oh!
2.
And again, Clique kick. Kicks out. What's Switchblade got to do? How badly injured is CJ Clique? Oh! Ribs into the barricade, and again. Stop this! The rookie is taking the veteran to school. What's he doing? Pedigree.
1, 2, 2.
It just again, Clique does not want to die. Stuck at one full apiece. Oh. Going up top again. Oh, the elbow drop. He caught it.
1, 2, 3. 3 count. CJ.
2 falls to CJ Clique. 1 to Switchblade.
How about we go for a walk? Yeah? Let's go. Oh! Oh! Look at this thing. Oh! 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 How's your legs
The
feeling,
bowling
mate?
was something that's not pretty. Jesus.
Superman.
Now, I've just been informed. Next 4 wins. So the next 4
Next 4
wins. And could it be Switchblade?
1, 2, 3.
And that's it.
3 count. Switchblade.
Your winner. Switchblade. Interesting show of respect from the #1 contender.
From the sun, the next thing coming is a
License to get.